Hi everyone. When you're embroidering onto a bag like the QD632, there's a few things that we've incorporated into the design to make that process as easy as possible. So we're going to go over those in this video. So I have my bag here ready to go. The first thing I'm going to do is measure and mark using a chalk pencil where I want my embroidery to go. I can now open the bag and remove the baseboard. Now you'll see there is a zip through the lining on this bag. Now this zip through the lining is a great feature when you're adding embroideries. It just means the back of the embroidery is inside the lining. When my embroidery is finished, I can zip this lining back up, giving you a nice clean look without the back of the embroidery being visible. I'm going to place 2 sheets of a medium backing inside the lining behind where I want my embroidery to go. Now, because of the thickness of this material, I'm going to be using a magnetic frame. Now place the back of the frame behind the backing papers inside the bag. And holding it all together, I'm going to place on the front of the frame. Just line it up straight. And you can see the frame lies through the lining, sandwiching the backing papers. This all held together and can now be placed into my embroidery machine. Just slot it in, make sure none of the lining is caught underneath the arm. I'm just going to line up the design now. Make sure the design lies comfortably within the frame and set my machine to run. Once the design's finished, I can remove the magnetic frame, trim any loose threads, any marks left by the frame can be removed by a quick steam. I can now zip up the linings, put back in the baseboard and zip up the bag. I have a nice embroidery just on the front of the QD632.